Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Saturday, August the 10th.
And we're a little late, or I am a little late getting the video out last night, or from last night. I should have had it out on Friday, but we had a little incident with this guy. Supposed to meet Peter going for a bike ride, and they got their wires crossed, and Peter's saying he couldn't find Andrew, so we all started worrying. I hopped in the car, went to pick up Peter where they thought they should meet, and off we drove all over the place searching for him. Never found him. He showed up back here at my mom's house 45 minutes later after I had been going, so that was all my editing and movie time. Plus, I didn't have much content. We've been really busy.
Very busy. What did you do yesterday, or what did we do yesterday?
We went to get t-shirts.
T-shirts.
Printed.
WaveRiders t-shirts.
White and black ones. So the person that was our 500th subscriber on YouTube, please contact us. It was one of the two guys that I know. Contact us because we want to mail you out your t-shirt, and that's been a year and a half, but we haven't had any shirts, and we'll be getting them this Wednesday before we fly out on Friday.
Year and a half, we got 500 subscribers. We're almost at 1,000 now.
Yeah. And I've been doing other stuff. I've been doing sewing for the boat. I've been really busy. I've been making soap, and he's been bike riding, and I've been working my butt off.
It's nice to be bike riding in BC again. On a real bike.
Yes, and we have a surprise for you. Another thing that we did.
We bought something new. A drone to show you some aerial footage.
But when we bought it, we were going to test drive it and show it to you guys, this video, but we just found out in Canada you actually have to get a license to fly them now and take a course, which is about a $500 course. So
we're not going to spend $500 for 5 days in here.
No, we'll wait till we're down in Bonaire and do our test drives down there.
So we're going to unpackage this for you.
We'll show you what's in the box.
If I can get it open.
Okay, I'm going to go and film it so I can actually film it closer on the table.
I have a Maverick Pro drone. Comes with we got the combo pack. Comes with all kinds of goodies, including a bunch of spare blades, which I hope we'll never have to use.
It was on sale because they have the new ones coming out, so they were trying to get rid of these ones.
It's got a very nice gimbaled camera, and the blades, or the propellers, fold out, so it's a very compact machine.
And that was the reason why we got this one.
So right now it's got 2 propellers on it and 2 not packed away. We did find a waterproof one, which I thought would be really good, but maybe we just won't fly this one over the water so much, or when we're sailing. Because when you think about it, if we dropped the drone into the water and we're sailing, it would be almost impossible to turn around and pick it up and find it again. So we just won't even go there. Plus, it was a lot more expensive than this.
And it wasn't compact. We couldn't stick it in a little backpack.
Yeah, it was huge.
Yeah, it was like the Phantom.
This case has our extra propellers in it, battery chargers, extra cables. This is one of which. That's to plug your phone into. And it came with 2 extra batteries, so there's 3 batteries all total. There's a controller. You put your phone in here. Antennas. So I'm going to take out the charger and we'll see if the drone will fit in there. Okay, now I'm going to fold up the drone and see if it fits in the bag.
Sorry for background noise. We have some excavating happening just a couple lots down.
Oh, I think it might fit.
Oh, nice.
And then the controller. The cell phone sits in your pocket. Oh, and there's a nice protection for the lens cover, or the camera cover, which goes on like that. And then, look at that.
Nice.
We're in business. Okay, our next video, which should be due Friday or Saturday, is probably either going to be late or not happening because we travel on Friday back to Bonaire, so it's going to be a very busy week for us. Okay, we've got Derek here. He's been on our boat. He's the guy that's jumping in the water in the spotted suit.
That you think is us.
I'm here with Andrew and Leanne for the family barbecue, and I brought my smoker. It's a charcoal smoker, and we're going to burn down some charcoals, get the heat up, and smoke some ribs. Yeah, it's going to be deadly.
It is.
Slide right off the bone.
And while we're doing it, well, we're going to have a deadly tournament of what?
Oh, bocce ball.
Yeah.
We're going to get heated. Going to see some blood, some bone.
How long is it going to take you to smoke these ribs?
It takes about 4 hours, 4.5 hours for something really tasty.
Oh.
Something that will make you want to sell your boat and move back.
Well, you're going to bring these down anyways, you know, your smoker down.
If you get a heat mat, you could probably do it on the boat.
Probably.
Oh, probably.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching this episode of Sailing WaveRiders.
Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And drop a comment below.
Thank you.
Great, thanks.